enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how we can apply conditional formatting if we have the data. Like this is a very short data. We have a data with a range of hundred thousands. So if we want to know the sale of a particular product, whether it is a good or average or bad, what we can do is we have to select the sales, then apply the conditional formatting. We will set new rule that for the lowest value we want orange color and for the highest value we want green color. Press enter. So here we can see that the highest chocolate appear to be green and the lowest, that is Rajbhog, appeared fifth, that appeared orange, and rest changed slightly as per the figures. Now what more we can do is, here we can see in icon sets we can give ratings to a particular products. First we have to select the range. In icons we can give ratings at full stars and rather not, or we can add graphs, pie charts, the indicators which flavors are good and which are not. Then the shapes appear green to be the best, and orange and red to be like lowest sales. Similarly, we have all these shapes here, color scales remaining adjust. We can create data bars accordingly in the figures itself to identify the data easily and quickly. This is how you can create your data more attractive and easy to understand. I hope you liked our video. For Excel up to Excel such skills. Thank you.